Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. We have seen that the price line has broken out this resistance of the symmetrical triangle, and after breaking out this resistance, the price action retested the previous resistance as a support. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price line will continue its move towards the upside from here. It will be move down from here. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Now let's move to the live daily time frame. And here we can see that the price action formed this symmetrical triangle, and this support was not started from this candlestick. If I zoom this chart out, then we can see this support is coming from these candlesticks. If I include all these candlesticks and just pull this trend line up to here, then we can see that here we had several touches at the support, and from here the price action found the resistance after the candlestick of 21st of August. And after testing this resistance again and again, getting bounced by the support, and it was trying to break out this resistance several times. Finally, the price action broke out this resistance here, and it has also tested this previous resistance as a support. And even on the daily time frame, today it is also testing the previous resistance as a support. Now, as we have already tested the support on the 4-hourly time frame and on the daily time frame, we are still testing the support. The next confirmation will be we need the closing above this candlestick, the highest price of this candlestick, that is $50,450, and we need the closing above this level. I'll be looking for this closing on the daily time frame chart, and you can also watch the closing on the 4-hourly time frame. But for more firm signals, the confirmed signals, we can watch this closing on the daily time frame. And our next target for this move, as I have already told you in my previous videos as well, if I just place this trend line here at the breakout point, can be approximately $54,000. And now I want to show you one more resistance that is coming from here. If I connect all these candlesticks from these candlesticks, and I am just including all these candlesticks, then we can see that we have found another resistance level as well. And you can see that the price line has also formed a broadening formation. Like this is the support, and this is the resistance of the broadening formation. And whenever the price line is getting bounced by this support, it is forming higher than previous highs. In this situation, for example, if the price line will hit here somewhere, then it can even reach up to $55,000 and even more than that as well. It depends how the price action will move. Like, for example, if it will be moved more sideways, then the move will be more big. And here I have also placed the 250 simple moving averages. I'm showing you this move again and again, almost in every video, that we are going to have a golden cross formation on the daily time frame very soon. And you can see how much closer these moving averages on the daily time frame are. This is the 200 simple moving average, this is the 50 simple moving average on the daily time frame. And previously, when we had this death cross, we had a very strong bearish trend and extreme sideways moves as well, and it was also breaking as a strong resistance for the price action. Now the price line has also broken out these two simple moving averages on the daily time frame. Like here the price action has broken out this 50, and here the price line has broken out this 200 simple moving average as well, and testing this 200 simple moving average again and again. And now it is likely to move up after several retests. But once we will have a golden cross formation on this daily time frame, then it can work as a very strong support for the long term below the price line, like it has been doing in the previous history as well. Let me show you this previous golden cross which we received here, that was formed back in 2020. You can see here back in May 2020, and after this golden cross, these two simple moving averages worked as a very strong support for the price line. And unless these two simple moving averages won't be broken down, we cannot expect that this bull rally or this bullish rally will be finished or ended. Now, on the same daily time frame, I would like to show you the different support and resistance levels. And I told you that this is very strong resistance zone that starts from $48,000 and goes to $50,000. Now, if we switch to the small time frame on the 4-hourly time frame chart, then we can see that here we also found some other resistance level as well that is now working as a support. And you can see the price action has been rejected here and here as well and here as well. And now the price line is testing this level. If I place this trend line here, that is $49,000. We can see this is the $49,000 support that the price line has found on the 4-hourly time frame, and it is not able to break down this support. So right now we are moving between $49,000 to $50,000 support and resistance. And if I copy this $49,000 support level from here and paste it here on the same daily time frame chart, and here I have placed this triangle, then you can see that exactly we have this $49,000 support level where we have this previous resistance of the triangle that is now working as a support. Now we have a very strong support of $49,000 because we also have this previous resistance of the triangle that is working as a support, and soon we are expecting this golden cross. And I've been telling you that before the formation of the golden cross, we can have a powerful rally towards the upside like we are having right now, because this is the lagging indicator and most of the moves take place or starts before these golden crosses and death crosses. For example, if I move back to the previous history, we can see that when this death cross was being formed and the 50 simple moving average was moving down, we received more powerful bearish move before this death cross was formed. And after formation, it has been breaking as a very strong resistance for the long term for several days, but we did not have such bearish move after that. So we can expect another rally, another move like it has been doing while forming the death cross before this golden cross. As much the 50 simple moving average will be moving up, we will have more powerful moves towards the upside. And maybe before the death cross, before this golden cross, we will have a spike up to here. We will have a rally up to here that is approximately $55,000. And after the formation of this golden cross, it will work as a very strong support for the long term, like previously it has been doing after this golden cross that was formed back in May 2021 or May 2020 on the daily time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.